The rise of the one-person media empire. How bloggers are redefining influence in 2025. In 2025, the line between blogger, journalist, and entrepreneur is blurrier than ever. Thanks to AI tools, streamlined platforms, and a growing hunger for authenticity, solo content creators are now outperforming traditional media outlets in reach and influence. The average blogger is no longer a niche hobbyist, but a savvy micro brand operating across multiple channels. From curated newsletters to syndicated podcast feeds, bloggers now run fully functional media businesses out of their home studios, and audiences are following, valuing personality over polish and substance over spectacle. This evolution is not just a trend, it's a shift in how information, entertainment, and community are consumed in the digital age. At the heart of this transformation is the blogger's toolkit, which has exploded in both power and accessibility. With AI-assisted writing tools, voice-to-text systems, and automated distribution platforms, the modern blogger needs fewer resources to produce high-quality content regularly. Platforms like Substack, Patreon, and Buy Me a Coffee have also given rise to direct monetization strategies. This means creators no longer rely solely on ad revenue or brand sponsorships, freeing them to speak more openly, build niche communities, and create value beyond the algorithm. In this ecosystem, a well-written blog post can become a viral tweet thread, a podcast script, or even an ebook, all from a single creative spark. What's especially striking about the 2025 blogger is their role in shaping digital culture. Many have become trusted voices in their respective niches, from mental health and productivity to tech commentary and ethical fashion. These bloggers are often more agile and responsive than mainstream media, responding to breaking news with depth or highlighting underreported stories. Their authenticity fosters deep trust, which in turn builds loyal fan bases willing to support and amplify their work. The key isn't perfection, but consistency and connection. In a world overrun by corporate messaging, the personal voice of a blogger cuts through the noise. As the blogging world matures, the next frontier lies in collaboration and community building. Blogger networks, content syndication partnerships, and co-branded projects are flourishing. Rather than competing, many bloggers now work together to expand their reach and offer added value to their audiences. Community-sourced content, Q&A episodes, and joint podcasts are not just content strategies. They're audience retention tools. Blogging in 2025 is no longer about going viral overnight. It's about sustained growth, clear values, and meaningful relationships with readers and listeners. The future of influence, belongs not to the loudest voices, but to the most resonant ones.